morning, assalamu alaikum. How are you? Hope all of you are good. Students, today we are here to discuss the further topics about settlements. We have been discussed in our previous class that what is settlement. Settlement is a place, or we can say it is an activity where a people want to live or to settle down. So today we will discuss about the growth of the population in the cities of Pakistan. So, as you people know that the cities grow in one or more of three main ways. One in area, in size of population, and in importance. So let's discuss about the cities of Pakistan. Today we are going to discuss two main cities of Pakistan, Karachi and Faisalabad. Karachi. Karachi is also called the City of Light. Here is the map that shows Karachi. Now let's discuss the facts about Karachi. Location. Area. The area of Karachi is 3,780 square kilometer. Karachi is situated in the province of Sindh. The population of Karachi is 16,094,000. The title of Karachi is called City of Light. Introduction. Karachi is the biggest and highly populated city of Pakistan. Its first name was Kolachi by the name of a girl whose name was Kolachi. Many years ago, it was a small fishing village. It is the first capital of Pakistan. There are many industries in Karachi. About 70% of Pakistan's economy based on Karachi. Karachi is the biggest city of Pakistan, as I have been told you. After partition, about more than 6,000 Muslims had migrated from India. So they start squatted settlement. So let's discuss about it. Thousands of Muslims migrated from India by 1951. Squatter settlement grew up on any space in the city center. The authorities did not discourage because they couldn't offer any alternative accommodation. Here is the picture from which you can identify what is a squatter settlement. In 1960, the Korangi township was built on the south of the city, but unfortunately it didn't solve the problem of homelessness. In 1916s, there was another migration. Many villagers also started to migrate to Karachi. This caused the slum and squattering problems to increase. What are the steps that are taken by the authorities? Many people settle near site area and find jobs there. In 1960, the authorities bulldozed many of the illegal squatter settlement and forced people to move to the outskirts of the city. A tea stall and eating place would open for those workers, and that led to more people settling there. Here is the chart that shows the growth of Karachi. As you can see in this chart, the growth of Karachi in 1955 and then the growth of Karachi in 2010. So we can see that the growth is 800 times greater than 1955. This is the map of Karachi. Now we are going to discuss about growth of Faisalabad. Facts about Faisalabad. The area of Faisalabad is 1300 square kilometer. The province of Faisalabad is Punjab. Population 3,385,000. Introduction. Faisalabad is the third largest city of Pakistan. This city is located at the northeast of Punjab, comprising flats and rolling plains. In the 19th century, the city was used as pasture lands. Here is the picture of the clock tower. So, in this slide, we are going to discuss the beginning of the Faisalabad. In the 19th century, the flood plains of the river Chenab, where Faisalabad is now situated, was used as pasture land, as we have been discussed in our previous slide. Then in 1902, the British built the Lower Punjab Canal, which made the irrigation possible and the cultivation of grain and cotton began. Faisalabad was established as Mandi or market town to serve as a center for the collection of crops before they were sent by rail to Karachi for export. The town was laid out in square shape with road radiating out from a clock tower in the center. Around the town, the agricultural land was divided into blocks of 25 acres. Villages were built in some of these areas for people who came for further east in the Punjab. The increase of population. How the population increased in Pakistan. The graph below shows the increase of population in Pakistan. The 2017 population was bigger than 1951, as you can see in this graph. In 1955, it was the sixth largest city of Pakistan, but by 1998, it had grown to become third largest city of Pakistan just because of the population. What are the factors that encourage the increase in Faisalabad's population? Factors encourage the increase in population: agriculture, industry, export, social development, and the last one is politics. There are different factors, but these are the main factors that affect and encourage the increase in Faisalabad population. So, what do we learn? We learn about Karachi and Faisalabad, growth of both cities. Hope all of you understand it. Take care. Allah Hafiz.